going away, I'm going away. I'll be back some other day. I'll be back some other day. I'll be back some other day. I'm going away, I'm going away. I'll be back some other day. I'll be back some other day. I'll be back some other day.
I think it would be, it could be a few cities depending on the record. What record? Blu-ray book could be Shreveport, Louisiana.
When we're gone in the old age came, little market to have something special next day.
Or San Pedro, California.
San Pedro.
Well, that's a little obvious, I suppose. But yeah, San Pedro. San Pedro, or the Navy base by San Diego in the United States. Rehearsing my choir would be Chicago, because it's about Chicago. And how about I'm going away? I'm going away would be an airport terminal, I suppose, because of the title.
I'm going away, I'm going away. I'll be back some other day.
Which airport terminal would it be?
Newark.
Newark Liberty Airport in New Jersey.
Okay. It's where it's where I spend a lot of time.
It's
leaving.
It's a nice, very neutral airport too. It's not very glamorous, but very functional and actually very interesting, in an interesting setting, very close to a prison. And so you have the freedom of flying next to the difficulties of the penitentiary. Possibility and no possibility. That's what I'd say. How about another record? One more record.
Well, Gallows Birds Bark is London for me.
Wearing my scarf and my hat, and I squint and I sniff as I went up.
And a bit of tea.
I've got a special category business down by the multifunctional doctor.
A bit of tea could be Toulouse. I love the southwest of France. No, it'd be Saint-Denis. Bit of tea is about the Paris suburbs. It didn't know it when we were making it, but...
I've seen it slinking off the snake alley.
Onwards and Upwards,
That's my favorite one. Onwards and Upwards and the louder you are, the harder you hear. What is it again?
The louder... Not the louder you are. The harder you listen, the louder you hear.
No, it's the harder you hear.
The harder you hear, the louder you listen.
The harder you hear, the louder you listen. Yeah, that's what it is. In other words, if you put an effort into listening to something, you can get a lot out of it. Like if you put an effort into listening to a British band called the Pussycat Dolls, normally thought of as a terrible band, you could imagine all kinds of things there that are interesting. Let alone if you listen hard to something that's good, like, say...
Jimi Hendrix?
Jimi Hendrix. Or Chuck Berry. Or Jacques Brel.
Please tell me now, what more can I do? Please tell me now, what more can I do?
Oh my gosh. I can name Matt's
Dog food.
What? That's terrible.
The band would be Dog Food.
That's not a meal.
It's very useful for dogs.
I was going to say, so could compromise for both of us a nice margarita pizza with a big rocket salad on top.
That sounds delicious. With chili.
We can agree on that.
Boozing out in Melbourne pubs. Great book.
I don't know that one.
Great book. There's a lot of great books like that. We'd be
What about
New
My
York City,
Monkey
New York
Wife?
City. Yeah, My Monkey Wife, or would be the New York City phone Yellow Pages. That's a great book.
I'm going away, I'm going away. I'll be back some more day. I'll be back some more day. I'll be back some more day. When you're in trouble, I work to pay your fine.